guys, Easter's coming up and I'm so excited.
And it's my favorite time of the year. We're going to make a simple egg craft.
For this activity, you'll need salt,
Watercolor,
pencil,
a paintbrush,
paper,
glue,
and a plate.
Let's get started. First, you're going to draw your egg on your paper using your pencil.
I'm just gonna do a simple design.
Me too. And then you can design your egg inside. I'm just gonna do some lines.
I'm gonna do some.
Just like a real Easter egg. Some lines. There.
Yeah, that's fine.
I think that's okay. Yes.
So now the next thing we're gonna do is take our glue, open it, and now we are going to trace the lines that we just made.
Yeah.
Oh, I do not know how to follow lines.
Okay. Now we're going to add the salt.
I'm just gonna pinch it. And we're going to put
it
it all
on
over
the
the
glue.
basically, yeah.
I
I kind of like the sound of the salt dropping on the paper.
I think that's okay.
I think that's enough. So now what we're gonna do is grab the paper and remove all the excess salt off the paper.
Yeah. There we are.
Yeah. So now we have it all covered. It covered all the glue and all the lines and all that.
Now we're going to take our paintbrushes and choose a watercolor.
I'm gonna choose blue first because is that blue or purple?
I have no idea. I'm just
I'm
gonna
gonna do the orange.
a little bit.
Just a little bit, not too much.
Then we're gonna put it on the salt.
Yeah. You
This
can
is
see
blue.
it slowly spreading.
That is blue.
Oh, it is blue.
Yeah. Then I'm gonna put another color. Whoa! Like spreading.
Whoa, I see it.
So
Kind of cool. So we're gonna continue to do this until our whole egg is done and filled with color, and it'll look very nice.
yeah. Just gonna add some more. And this is the end result.
Yeah. So nice and beautiful.
Yeah.
Now I
Oh,
think
it's
we're gonna
dripping.
let it dry, should we? Yeah. So that it can harden, and then it'll be like a nice egg painting thing. You can hang it in your room if you really like it, and you can do it more.
And it's really good for the Easter time since it's an egg.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This experiment was excellent.
And egg-citing.
Now you get it.
I hope you enjoyed making this craft with us, and I hope you try it at home.
We really love doing it, and if you let it to dry a bit more, it'll pop. The colors will pop out more, and it'll be even more beautiful.
Yeah. Make sure you try this at home and tag us at #Sema's Lab. This is Seth.
This is Stacy.
And this is Sema's Lab. Happy Easter!
Happy Easter.
Stay connected with me on the Super Sema YouTube channel.